So here's another example of a composite function. So given a function here, learn to recognize that, actually, press pause and actually think about it. Where is the, can you break this complicated function up into smaller functions? Okay, so, and there are lots of ways of doing it. Press pause and have a quick glance. Okay. Okay, so here, just see that here's a function here. So you could, and there are lots of ways of doing this. So let's just say g of x here. Let's just call this a function. Let's just say this here is a function, and there are lots of ways of doing this. So this one here, let's just say g of x is this function here. Okay, and then you could say h of x equals 2 cos of x. Okay, so if you were to put this into here, it will give you this whole thing here. And by the way, you don't have to do it this way. You could do this as well. Hang on, you could actually have 3 functions. So let's just say h of x. Let's just say h of x here equals cosine of x. Okay, so if you put this into here, it will just give you this part here. Okay, so now let's ghi, let's just say I here. Let's just say I of x here. It's a new function, and just say it's 2x. Okay, so look at this here. If you put this into this, and then whatever it was, the combination of the two, put it into here, it will actually give you this thing here, because this here is one function, and then h of x will give us this part, and then I of x will give us the 2 here. Okay, so here you could have it like this. Hang on. So here it will be here it would be this. It would be, hang on, let me think. It would be hang on. It would be this. It would be I, and then h, and then g of x. Okay, so it's, yeah, it's just an example here. So I think that's right. Yeah. Okay, so here you've got what we're saying is put this into the h, and then the combination of the two, put it into I here, and then that would then give you 2 cosine a cosine 4 of x minus 2. Okay, so it is possible. You are allowed to do that. So put this into the x here, and then put the combination of the two into this thing here, and it would be this. Okay.